Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and take a picture. I would like to take this picture. I would like to take this picture and see in the picture that you took. If you open the picture that you took and if you find any watermark in the bottom left side, suppose if you don't like this watermark, if you would like to remove this watermark, you can do it. Okay, here watermark is showing Mickey, Gerolina and date and time showing. I would like to remove this watermark for future photos. So what you have to do is go to camera behind and go to settings icon of camera here and go to camera watermark. Just turn off this button, camera watermark, so that camera watermark will not be enabled. Now go to camera and take picture. Okay, I am going to take this picture. I take this picture and open the picture that I took. See in the bottom left side there is no such watermark. So in this way you can easily remove camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.